So in this video I will guide you how you can add text stroke effect on Elementor. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the plugins and click on this add new plugin. Now after clicking on this, what you need to search for is simply happy add-on, and once you search for this you just need to go for this one, happy add-ons for Elementor, and click on the install now button. After that you just need to click on the activate plugin. After that you just need to click on the next button and make sure that your text stroke effect is enabled. So click on the view all and then you just need to scroll down a little bit and then click on the next button. After that you just need to make sure that the text stroke is enabled and then click on the next button. After that you just need to click on next again and follow the on-screen instructions and then click on the done button. Once you have added the happy add-on, now what you need to do is to simply go to your editor or customizer. So simply open up your website. So you just need to click on this edit with Elementor. What you need to do is to first simply select your heading or any other text that you want to change, and then you just need to click on the style. Now you will have a new option of text stroke, so simply click on this and then you just need to enable the text stroke and make sure to select your particular color. So let me just do it just like so, and after that you can simply remove the color of your main text just like so, and there you have it. So you can now use it in your header, in your main page, or wherever you want. So that's the way of how you can add text stroke effect on Elementor.